This is Shadowskiller from Control Crew. In this video, I'll be unboxing the new JBL Flip 4. It is available on Amazon for 8,000 after discount. The actual MRP is 10,000 rupees in India. It's made by Harman, as you can see. I bought the green color edition. Yeah, so let's go with the unboxing. You open it. Wow, it's so beautiful over here. You can see the JBL by Harman Flip 4. Here's this box. What it has. Okay, this is the charger. Yeah, just a mobile, just a PC charger. No adapter. Pretty good. Here is this. Oh, and here is the beautiful speaker. Wow. This is JBL here. Has Bluetooth, volume up, volume down. This button over here can help you activate your voice assistant while you're using it. This can help you connect to many other JBL speakers at the same time. Pretty cool. This thing vibrates while it's playing music. Amazing. Here's the charger and the pin. Crazy. Okay, so here are the books, the guides. The Flip 4 manual. It has all the instructions over here. Bluetooth. Just a quick start guide. I don't know what this is. This too is a manual, full of manuals. This section, different languages. So warning booklet, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see how the speaker works. Yeah, so I'm back with my phone here, and here's the speaker. Let me see how this sets up. In the starting, this is the first time I'm playing it, music. So it's on. Here's the Bluetooth mode. Let me go to settings. Reduce the volume for starters. Flip 4. Yeah, so it's connected. Go to music. This is amazing. I can't believe I'm playing it at such a low volume, still it comes out so loud. The bird. It's working amazing. Let me try the voice assistant button. Next song. works really well. Amazing speaker. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box. Just a few features written down here. 12 hours of playtime, and it's really faster charging. I just charged it. It's really fast. And it has this JBL Connect Plus, when you can connect multiple speakers together and they'll play the song together, and obviously it'll get louder. And yeah, it is IPX7 waterproof. You can play it in water. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.